H&R Construction Parts and Equipment Company Incorporated is a major supplier of parts, components, attachments, and machinery to the world's construction equipment industry. Specializing in the dismantling and salvage of heavy equipment, H&R is one of the largest organizations of its kind. For over 20 years, H&R and its staff of over 40 people have been providing high-quality cost alternatives to equipment manufacturers, distributors, and end users. Located in Buffalo, New York, H&R operates from its 100,000 square foot facility on 30-plus acres of property. It is well positioned to take advantage of shipping lanes throughout the U.S. and Canada, as well as being located within 500 miles of some of the world's busiest seaports. The focus at H&R is to provide exceptional value for parts, components, and attachments that are ready to ship. From the moment machinery arrives at our yard, our processes are built to ensure the quality of each part. Each machine receives a full inspection and component part evaluation upon receipt. Once dismantled, each part is cleaned, re-inspected, or reconditioned to assure customer satisfaction. The company processes products from major manufacturers including Komatsu, Caterpillar, Hitachi, Dresser, Volvo, John Deere, Case, Kobelco, Link-Belt, Moxie, Terex, Samsung, Daewoo, Kawasaki, International, and Hoff. H&R focuses on product types including excavators, wheel loaders, articulated trucks, and crawler tractors. Highly requested parts for excavators include hydraulic pumps, hydraulic cylinders, cabs, swing drives, and final drives. Operators of wheel loaders are often looking for buckets, hydraulic cylinders, torque converters, differentials, transmissions, or planetary and brake wheel groups. Articulated truck parts include the engine, transmission, axles, and differentials.
Basically what we do is we get a unit in here, a machine. It could be an excavator, a wheel loader, so on. And we know what's got to be done with the process. We go after all the main components. We go after the radiator, the cooler, engine, the pumps, final drives, the track chains. We pretty much disassemble the machine till there's nothing left.
Machines begin the teardown process by receiving a thorough cleaning. Once brought into the teardown areas, attachments are removed, followed by major components, then the engine, transmission, pumps, and any other salvageable parts. Everything is then inspected and tagged for tracking, whether the part is being shelved for immediate sale or preparation for reconditioning or testing.
We salvage every part possible on a machine. We pretty much disassemble the machine till there's nothing left.
Reconditioned components supplied by H&R include a wide variety of products. Transmissions, torque converters, differentials, planetary assemblies, along with final and swing drives, steering systems, and axle assemblies are included in the mix.
Welcome to the H&R Recon department. This is the department where all final drive and driveline components are rebuilt. Everything back here is completely disassembled. All the parts are inspected. In fact, parts are scrutinized to be the very best that they can be. Everything is mic'd and brought up to factory specifications. Transmissions get all new seals, bearings are replaced, clutch disc. And after rebuilding, everything then goes to our dyno stand where everything is dyno tested. Things are run just as they would be in the machine themselves. And pressures are checked. We check for leaks, check for noises. Any adjustments that have to be made are done at that time so that when a customer receives this product, he can feel comfortable putting this piece of equipment into his machine, knowing that it's going to work properly and it's going to work the first time so he doesn't have problems.
All machines receive a complete disassembly. All components are thoroughly inspected, cleaned, and are quality assured through operation and testing on our 125 horsepower test stand. They are then made ready for sale. Hydraulic components comprise of a large percentage of H&R's inventory of ready-to-ship parts. Hydraulic pumps, valves, cylinders, and drive motors are rebuilt to manufacturer specifications and are tested to assure performance when installed. Used engines receive special inspection and testing at H&R. Each unit is cleaned, inspected, and tested before it is sold. Lower-end bearing condition is verified through physical inspection after removal of the oil pan and bearing caps. Valve lash is adjusted, as well as other normal operating adjustments. Engines are then run on H&R's 800 horsepower dynamometer to assure all operating characteristics are within the manufacturer's specifications.
We check for misses, low-end miss or a high-end miss with under load. We make sure the fuel pressure and the oil pressures are maintained at their specifications. We'll monitor everything at 4 stages for the dyno run. Every stage is a half-hour long, and until the max horsepower is reached. That's our last stage.
Monitoring includes oil pressure, crankcase pressure, turbo boost, horsepower, and torque. Only after this extensive test is an engine made available for sale.
Everything's documented and calculated for the customer to see when it's all done.
Individual engine components are also available at H&R. Cylinder heads, crankcases, crankshafts, as well as accessory components including turbochargers, coolers, bell housings, flywheels, covers, etc. H&R provides products that are quality cost alternatives to expensive OEM parts. High-quality reconditioned, generic, and used parts provide our customers with options to keep their machines running while reducing operating expenses. At the same time, these parts offer the security of one of the industry's best warranties, with exceptional product support for the products supplied. A wide variety of used parts and attachments can be found in H&R's inventory. Used parts including gears, housings, sheet metal, undercarriage, rims, and many other hard parts. Attachments range from complete cabs, booms, sticks, buckets, blades, rippers, winches, and grapples, to name a few. When new parts are the preference, H&R offers a large selection of high-quality generic parts and components. Many items, such as gears, bearings, and castings, are available. H&R also carries in stock new swing gear and bearing assemblies for excavators, as well as a large selection of new excavator planetary final drive assemblies that are ready to bolt on.
Is this for one of your machines? I look in my inventory system to see if we have it here in stock, and if we don't, then I offer the locating service.
In the event that a needed part is not in H&R's extensive inventory, we utilize our parts locating system, which broadcasts detailed information through a satellite-linked network to other dismantlers in the US and Canada to find parts quickly. H&R's warranty is indicative of the quality that our technicians build into every part. The warranty provides our customers with the assurance that excellent value will be received with each purchase. Each part, whether used, reconditioned, or new, is backed with a best-in-the-industry support system that few, if any, can equal. It is the intent of H&R to maintain the largest ready-to-ship inventory in the business. Our employees are here to meet your needs as seamlessly as possible while delivering exactly what we say we will, when we say we will. Our performance has been recognized as one of the best available in the industry. H&R has been sought out as the vendor of choice by world-leading manufacturers and distributors. Our customer base includes some of the largest machinery suppliers in the world. With over 20,000 customers in over 30 countries, H&R's track record speaks for itself. We invite you to join the growing ranks of H&R customers. Try out our services and experience the difference that H&R has to offer.